Well, I just missed it, but Carson rang the bell.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah, would you do it again? He's getting brave. Be brave. All right. Oh, that's how you did it. Okay.
What? You can turn that, but it makes it even louder.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
that's... You did it very well.
Come on, Dad, try up here, man.
I'm chicken, man.
Come on.
I'm chicken.
Whoops.
Cool, Dad.
I'm chicken.
Bring the camera over here. Holy cow!
He's up there.
Should I get up here?
Huh?
Should I get up here?
It's up to you.
I mean, should I? Would it be cool?
I don't know.
Is it scary? You gotta be careful because that's a sloped roof, you know?
Probably not up there, buddy.
It looks good in the middle.
He's going up. He's scared out of his mind, but very cool.